PowerPoint, the presentation software. It is a program of our Office suite and it is used to create documents, communicate ideas, communicate messages and other information to a number of people or to a large group. The program is developed by Microsoft and allows us to create presentations, and the presentation PowerPoint presentation is also known as slideshow. Word processing, outlining, charts, drawing, multimedia and web support are the features of PowerPoint. To start the PowerPoint, click on start button, and I am having PowerPoint on the start button. Click on it. You can get the PowerPoint screen. The slide I have opened already, that is this one slide. This is our basic PowerPoint window, having all the tabs present here. To create a blank presentation, click on Home, click on New Slide, or from the layout. Click on Layout, we can get the slides. Similarly, click on New, we can get all the Office themes. And if we are clicking any of them, suppose I am clicking here title and content, see the title and content, I can get the slide like that, in which I can add the title here. I am adding the title, you can see. Similarly, in this sheet I can add the subtitle, or I can add any text like how are you, if we want to add any new slide, we are clicking simply on the new slide option. You can get the slide layouts. These are all the slide layouts. We can get the slide layouts. You can click on any of slide layout and it will be present here on the screen. See the content placeholders. Content placeholder contains bulleted list, chart, tables, pictures, clip art, smart art and media clips. On the screen we are having these things. This is chart, table, smart art graphics, and all the things are there. Drawing is here, clip arts is here. I have searched for flowers in the clip art, and these are the pictures of the flowers, and when I am double clicking on it, I am getting it on the screen. To run the slideshow, click on the slideshow button. When I am clicking on the slideshow button, I am having the options from the beginning. I want to start this slideshow from the beginning. See the slideshow. Using mouse pointer, I am getting all the slides. On the big screen, remember, always these slideshows are on the big screens. To save this slideshow, I have to click on the Office button. Simply click on it. Click on Save As option. You can get the screen. Write any name here. I have written PowerPoint 4th, and click on Save button. You can save this presentation. I have already saved this presentation, so the confirmation asks by the computer.